page 4, page 5, page 6. After that, under the page 4, we will take this much till first table from the previous page. This navigation section you can copy from the previous page, and after that when page 4 is ready, go inside, again open a form tab and close the form tab. Inside that, create a table. This table also will be aligned center, and you can keep cell padding and okay. Write a caption, follow the H1. Inquiry you can write. Next, this inquiry we want to keep in red color. So for that, font tag will open and we'll use the color red, and then font tag will close. Then font tag will close. This inquiry will come in red color. Next, after that, tr ph th, or better you can write the td. So design, we are going to make something like one td, one more td in the first row. Now second row, you will keep only one td, then leave one td as empty, one more td with a single, one more tr with a single td, one more tr, with a single td only, in this last td you create a button send the message, and the button align should be centered, and then call span should be 2. Call span should be 2. Button has a type equal to submit, and a button has a type equal to reset. And keep your goal clear. Reset and clear. Yeah, so we added. Now this page will be simple with one button, two button. Okay, now what we are going to do in this, first go here and see in the first row how many TD, double TD, double TD, first row. Second row, how many? Only one. Third row also how many? Only one. So one TD is missing in the third row and one TD is also missing in the second row. So Total how many TD are missing? 2 TD, 1 TD in the second row and one more TD in the third row. So in the first row there is 1 TD. If you write here row span equal to 3, then what will happen? For the first row, second TD you wrote row span 3. That meaning this TD will take the place in the first row. Same TD will take the place here also, right? Same TD will take the place here also. Because of that, what we have made? We have made here is empty. We have not given anything. We are not given anything. Because in the first row you have a TD. For that TD you wrote row span is 3. Means the TD you take the place of the first row. You only take the place of second row. And you only take the place of third row. Right? Now go to the each text boxes, each TD. And in each TD, you will write like this. Input type equal to text, or maybe keep number. Write the property called placeholder. Enter mobile number. Here you write another TD. Enter email ID. Enter email ID. Just complete the row number 3 and second. Input type equal to email. Okay, ready? Now these two have got two text field here. Coming to the first one. First one, add one TD here for the full name. First TD will have one text box. Enter full name. Input type equal to text. Okay, hope done. Next, go to the second TD. Write a text area. Open, close. Rows equal to Rows means height. 10 rows. Calls like the width 35. Placeholder enter message. Okay, hope ready. See it now. Look like this. This is covering a space of total how many tier? 3 rows. 3 rows. And each row have 1 1 1. And the first row we have 1 that is covering the full row, full space. Okay, so you can see in the first row we have 2 TD. 1 TD is taking the 1 column space. Second TD is taking the space of 3 column. And not 3 column, 3 rows, 3 TR. 1 TR, current TR, next TR as well as next TR. Now suppose by mistake if we add one more TD here, in the second or third anyone by mistake if we add one more TD, you will see this TD will go out of the list. That TD will go out of the list here. See, went outside because the column count is mismatched now. Already we are given the permission to 1 TD to take the place of 3 rows. So it will take the first row, second row as well as third row. If you are adding any extra TD, that becomes a fourth TD. So fourth TD will come out of the table. You can say it will break down total structure. Column count should not match, should not mismatch. So next hope looks similar. We will create, we have already file, we'll work on that. Page 5 working, looks similar or different. Okay, go to the 5th number page. In 5th number page, the first table you can copy and paste from this current page. Body has to close. This PML has to close. Okay, so open one more form and close the form. Come inside. You will create a table. That table you can keep align center again. Only align center you need to add. Then write one TR. Then use one TD. Under the TD, okay, under the TD, write a field set. Field set and check once anything is pending. Write some text inside. See once what is the structure of field set and how that looks. Field set. You got idea? Field set meaning is what? A box. It's creating a box. Now under the field set, you will add one legend tag, and under the legend tag, you can write here call something. Contact us. Okay, so what we have written field set to field set, legend. Inside we added contact us. So you will find something like this. Contact us become as a heading, and this become as a block. Now let me show you another option. You can also copy this field set to field set and paste after the table. Field set to field set to copy, and let us paste after the table. Field set to field set you copy and paste after the table. Okay, then copy paste. Now see what is the structure of field set inside the table and how that look out of the table. Outside of the table, how that appear. Inside of the table, how it appear. Out of table is full width. Inside of the table, inside the table it will cover according to table, according to content, and out of the table it will cover completely full width. So table tag is a field set is a block level tag. Always it will cover the full width only. Okay, it cover always how much? Full width. You can see it's covering the complete full width. Next, after that, remove the field set from outside. Let's work for the inner level field set. Inside the inner level field set, the contactors is coming. Let's keep little big font size. You can use font tag here. Font tag we can use, and using the font tag, we can increase their size. Size is maybe 30. Increase the font size. Size we increase. After that, you can see this come little big size. Contactors become very big. 25 will be okay, I guess. 25. Is also big only. Okay, let it come down. Remove this text, and here under the field set, you are going to create the table again. Under the field set, you will create one more table. That table width will be 100%. 100%. And keep cell padding 100%, and keep cell padding 15. So it will become a complete spacious table. It will become complete spacious table. Okay, next after that, you can write here one tr. Inside we can write a td again. Under that td we can write call enter your name, then you will keep the pr, then you will write here input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. This is inner level table under the field set. Already one table is outside to control the width. Inside that we follow the tr, tad field set. Under the field set we follow the again table. After that, copy the same tr, paste after this. That page will look like this here. Not changing. Why? Okay. I did this modification in page number 5. And then I'm not. Yeah, see, it's look like this. 25 font size also look very big. For 25 is not there, yeah. Font size is maximum how much? 7. If you give 100 also maximum font size will be how much? 7 only. 1 is the lowest font size and 7 is the maximum font size. Don't give 25 or 30. Reduce that to 6 or 7. 6 is the minimum. Sorry, 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum. Between range of 1 to 7 we have to give. We need to keep in the range of between 1 to 7. Okay, hope ready. Next, after that, copy the same tr, paste after this. Right there, enter your phone number. Input type to number. Okay, next after this, you can see 2 tr will get created. Next, add one more tr. Enter your email ID. Input type will mail. Yes, you will get one box for email ID. Next, after that, we have to create one more text area for message purpose. Enter your message. It will be as a text area. Text area open. Text area close. In that also we have to give some rows for height purpose, calls for width purpose. Okay, hope ready. Next run again. Something like this. Add one more button, but that button should be outside. Button should not be inside of the box. So to add the button out of the box, you can see TD and TR and table and field set and box is coming from field set only. No, field set is end. After field set, TD is end. Then again TR is end. After that, you have to add one more TR in the last in outer table. You have to add one TR in the outer table. There you will keep one TH is also fine or TD is also fine. TD align center we can give. Center, and you will write here a button. Send a message. You can see this button will be complete at the end of the box. Okay, hope ready. So here a space is not coming. There should be some space from top to bottom. Why a space is not coming? Because in outer table, you have not written any kind of cell padding or cell spacing. So the main table, outer table, you can add the cell padding 10 or 15. It will become spacious here. Some space will get applied. This button is where? In the outer table. This field set is coming from where? Inner table using the field set. Now for the inner table, this internal table, if you give cell padding already are given. External table, if you see, you don't have any cell padding or cell spacing. You can keep inside cell padding 1.5. Okay, then save the file. Sequence space got apply. So this way also we can create a form. These all are the different structure. According to need, we can follow this and we can design. Okay, come for the last row now. Last page, that is for 6. So hope your page works. Hello. What's your name? Okay, so we will call you some at 9:30. Okay, so go ahead to the page number 6. In the page number 5, if you have done everything, come to the page number 6. In page number 6, we will be creating two tables. We will be creating two tables. One table will print in the left side of the page and second table will print in the right side of the page, here in the page 6. First, that navigation part you copy and keep there. This much remains same. Copy and paste here. Then follow the body tag. Follow the HTML. Okay. Now come after the table. Create one table where a line will be left, and cell padding will be 15, 20. You can give 15. Caption H1. New book details. New book details. Now create one more table. Align right book list. Align right table you have given. Cell padding 15 is okay. Cell spacing is 0, 0, and border equal to 1. And border color maybe red color. So this is for the second table. Second table should appear in the right side and the first table should appear in the left side. Okay, hope ready. Go to the first table and write there ATR TH book name. Write a TD. Input type equal to text. Book name. Book price. Book price should be number data type. Quantity. Quantity. query type, book name, book price, book quantity, and then a button called save button. trth call is equal to 2. Inside to create a button here book. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Your form book enter book details will come in the left side. Listing is coming in the right side. We have to add some data there. The table is coming in the left side. Their BG color you can change using the BG color property. BG color something sky blue. The background of first table will be sky blue color. Okay, sky blue is coming. Now go for the second table. In the second table, you will add the TR, the first TR, BG color, orange color, TH, book ID, book name, book price, book quantity, book ID, book name, book price, book quantity. Okay, hope ready. Check now. It's look like this on the right side. We can give some waves also for the table, but let it be. Now write the TR, next TR, first TD, book number B0001, next TD, HTML, basic price rupees 300. Next TD quantity available 100. Okay, hope running. You know, so this way you can add some 5-6 book. It will appear in right side. Add one more TR 02 ESS guide for all 350 rupees 500 in stock 500 in stock. Hello, yes, tell me. Hmm. 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 We'll send in sometime. Yeah, we'll send it. Okay, we'll share it in sometime. Okay, hope written. This is guide for all. Add some more book. 2-3 more you can add. Zero zero three. Test 5. This is framework. I-50 in stock. Okay, save now. Add one more. 0034. Yep. CSS JavaScript array. Yeah, so this is basic table structure. How to display two type of data in one page. Then we can use two table. One table will be aligned left, another table will be aligned right. Automatically it will come in the middle. If now, hope your table also looks similar or different. Okay, hope ready. Scroll up. Scroll up in the sense which table, first table or second table. This is the second table. So assignment all sets completed. How many set you created? Set number 5 is completed or 5, 6 was there. Now today you complete remaining all. Whichever sets are pending there, now you are eligible to do all. Try finishing as soon as today, tomorrow. If you have not written, I will share you the code. You can use this directly. table to table, came to your chat. Set number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the sets. Page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the sets you can try. Not try, complete today. So all 3 files I sent you in the chat. You can check once. 13, 14, 15th also I guess, and 12. 3 videos are already there in the YouTube. 11th, not 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. 3, 4 videos uploaded yesterday. You can check once. The link remains same. In the same link, it will be. One more 15th videos is pending. It has not converted. Manually conversion was happening. I have shared all the file, all 3 files I sent you. I've sent you 3 files in your chat. You can download that. Page number 4, 5, 6. 3 files is sent in your chat. I can send you again. 4, 5, 6. Send to your chat. In code window, there is a limitation on character. In the chat window, there is a limitation on character. This is the first table I sent you, and this will be the second table. But how much it will go? Let me see. Okay, second table also sent. Paste both the table one after that. It should work. You can send your email ID in the group today. That WhatsApp group we have now. In that you can send your email ID. We need to add in the YouTube email ID. Whichever the email you have active email ID, send your email ID. Okay, see you tomorrow again.